Hello everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video. Just be quiet, kind of quiet since there's other people here. But we are in Eden, Utah, and there took a 0.9 mile hike to a metal paper airplane. I've seen videos of these type of things of metal objects on kills, but I've never seen one in person. That was pretty cool. There's also a bike race happening right now, so I also need to make sure I don't get hit by a bike. Let me come over here. Look at you. It's crazy. This is cool, it's cool that the bike's right there. It's a good little hill. But yeah, pretty cool. Just want to show you guys all. There's also a little inside. But yeah, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.